dug into my safe because ammo is short right now. I found this Liberty Defense stuff. This is a 50 grain, 357 Magnum, 50 grain. It's supposed to be moving at 2,800 feet per second. So I got my trusty 4-inch Smith here. Let's see what those look like. And wow, those are freaking hot. So when I'm firing the gun, I can feel it come up my arm in the flash. The recoil is real nice at only 50 grains, but man, those are gonna be freaking heart stoppers if you're trying to use them in self-defense. Right now, it's the only thing I got for my self-defense gun, so they shoot point at any point of impact, but man, I'm gonna have to hold my breath and hold my nose when I fire those if I have to use them, because they are loud.